Thank you for choosing Paubox to encrypt your emails. In today's Help Center video, we're going to show you how you can set up Salesforce to send emails through your G Suite account. As a Paubox customer, this Salesforce feature will allow you to send HIPAA-compliant emails since Paubox encrypts all outbound emails for G Suite in Office 365. Before we get started, make sure that you have these 3 user permissions enabled: permission to send email, permission to send email through external email service, and permission to access the record the email is sent from. To integrate Salesforce with your G Suite or Office 365 account, go to your Salesforce homepage, click on the gear in the upper right-hand corner, and select Setup. From Setup, go to the left-hand column and select Email under the Administration section. Scroll down until you see Send through external email services, then select it. Select either Send through Gmail or Send through Office 365, and that's all there is to it. Now any Salesforce emails sent through G Suite will be encrypted with Paubox's email encryption. Thanks for watching.